Welcome to fourth session of Unit 3rd. Today's topic is basic computer operations. In this session, we are going to discuss about the operating system Windows 7. Now, we will be briefly talking about basic component of GUI Windows, working with mouse and keyboard, working with MS Windows OS, opening a file or folder, renaming a file, moving a file, deleting a particular file, and how we run a particular file. Student, it's an practical based chapter. If you have PC at your home, then you will try its practical at your home. So let us start the class. First of all, first question comes in our mind, what is Windows operating system? Means operating system क्या होता है? So student, operating system is an interface which provides communication between user and hardware. Operating system has two parts, kernel and shell. The kernel is responsible for interacting with hardware. हार्डवेयर से इंटरेक्ट करने के लिए हम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के कौन से पार्ट का यूज करते हैं? कर्नल. एंड शेल इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इंटरेक्टिंग विद द यूजर्स. Student, the shell acts as the command interpreter. Command interpreter means interpreter is a language processor which convert high level language program into machine code, or we can say that computer readable form. So shell आपका कमांड इंटरप्रेटर के जैसे वर्क करता है, विच टेक द कमांड फ्रॉम द यूजर, इंटरप्रेट्स देम एंड टेक्स एक्शन अकॉर्डिंगली. स्टूडेंट, इन ओएस देयर आर 3 टाइप ऑफ इंटरफेस होते हैं आपके कंप्यूटर में, GUI, CUI एंड TUI. GUI आपका होता है ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस. आपका जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है वो बेस्ड होता है CUI इंटरफेस पर. So operating system have shell that were graphical elements for interaction. Student, in Windows 7, multiple application can be simultaneously run in different windows.
Let's begin our discussion with basic operations of left and right buttons of mouse. Working with mouse. The Windows operating system uses both mouse and keyboard as input devices. Student, interaction with Windows or a Windows application is most efficient when options are chosen with a mouse. There are 3 clicks in the mouse. First, left click, second, right click, and third one is double click. Students, when you click the left button to select an item, a selected item is highlighted in some way, and selection of an item doesn't result in the initiation of a process. Student, as you can see in this picture, इन पॉइंट ए लेफ्ट क्लिक के बारे में बताया है कि जैसे ही आप लेफ्ट बटन पे क्लिक करते हो माउस की, देन अ सिलेक्टेड आइटम क्या हो जाता है? हाईलाइटेड. एंड इन बी पॉइंट डबल क्लिक बताया है कि इफ यू डबल क्लिक left mouse button to choose an item, when you choose an item some kind of action occur. Third, right click. In C point, press and release the right mouse button once a shortcut menu appears. Means right click का use किसी भी shortcut menu को display करने के लिए किया जाता है. Shortcut menu means a menu that show the most frequently used commands for that selected files or folders for which the mouse has been right click. जिस पे आपने right click किया है वही shortcut menus या folders क्या होंगे? Open होंगे. Student, one more option is there, drag option. Drag means press mouse button and while pressing move to another location and then release the mouse button. इसका यूज किया जाता है drag option का to move and resize a window on the display screen. After that, working with keyboard. A student, input device keyboard is used to type data or instruction and for some other functions. The keys on your keyboard can be divided into several groups based on their function. So let's discuss the several keys one by one. First, typing keys, or it is also called alphanumeric keys. Student, these keys include the some letters, number, punctuations and symbol keys found on a traditional typewriter. जो पहले टाइपराइटर्स में कीज होते थे, टाइपिंग के लिए यूज होते थे, वही कीज इस कीबोर्ड में भी अवेलेबल है. सेकेंड, कंट्रोल कीज. These keys are used alone or student in a combination with other keys to perform certain action. Control key, Alter key, the Windows logo key and escape means ESC keys are the part of control keys. Next, function keys. The function key are used to perform specific task. स्टूडेंट, जब हमें कोई स्पेसिफिक टास्क परफॉर्म करना होता है तो फंक्शन की यूज की जाती है. दे आर लेबल्ड एज F1, F2, F3 up to F12 means there are 12 functions key available on our keyboard. The functionality of these key differs from program to program means अलग अलग प्रोग्राम के अकॉर्डिंग फंक्शंस कीज चेंज होते जाते हैं. Navigation keys. Student, these keys are used for moving around in documents or web pages and editing text. इस आपको अगर वेब पेजेस या डॉक्यूमेंट को मूव करना हो या फिर टेक्स्ट में एडिटिंग करनी हो तब आप नेविगेशन कीज का यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आपको टेक्स्ट डिलीट करना हो तो यू प्रेस द डिलीट की फ्रॉम नेविगेशन कीज. दे इंक्लूड द एरो कीज, होम and page up, page down, delete and insert key. Numeric keyboard or numeric keypad. Student, the numeric keypad is handy for entering numbers quickly. अगर आपको क्विकली नंबर्स को एंटर करना हो या फिर कुछ कैलकुलेशन का टास्क परफॉर्म करना हो तब न्यूमेरिक कीबोर्ड का यूज़ करते हैं. Next, explore your computer. Student, once your computer is boot up, you are ready to explore your computer. Student, boot up means loading up of operating system files into the computer memory. It's called booting up. Student, booting up is the first thing that takes place when you switch on your computer. जैसे आप कंप्यूटर को ऑन करते हो तो सबसे पहले जो प्रोसेस होती है वो होती है बूटिंग की प्रोसेस. You can now see what all things means files, application, folders are there on your computer. There are several ways that you navigate around your computer. Most commonly जो हम use करते हैं start button, taskbar, my computer, Windows Explorer. So let's discuss it one by one. The start button. Student, start button is always available on your desktop and no matter how many open windows you have. Student, using the start button icon, you can accomplish almost any task. You can start programs, open document, customize your system, हेल्प मेन्यू आप ओपन कर सकते हो, किसी भी आइटम को सर्च कर सकते हो, सर्च फॉर आइटम्स ऑन योर कंप्यूटर एंड मैनी मोर थिंग्स you can do with the help of start button. Student, start menu have a right facing arrow as you can see in this picture. Which menu additional choice are available on secondary menu. If you place your pointer over an item with an arrow, another menu appear. जैसे ही आप इस एरो पे क्लिक करते हो उसका जो सेकेंड ऑप्शन है वो ओपन हो जाता है. To use the start menu, click the start button. The start menu appear and click the option you want to open. Point to option with right facing arrow to open secondary menus. Taskbar. Student, this is a bar that is usually found at the bottom of your computer screen. The start button about which we have discussed in the previous video just now is located on the taskbar only. Apart from the start button, the taskbar contains the clock and some toolbar and buttons corresponding to all open windows. As you can see in this picture, buttons on the taskbar show you which window are open. Even if some windows are minimized or hidden, वो कहाँ पे दिखाई देती है आपको टास्क बार में. You can easily switch to different window by clicking its taskbar button. मीन्स अगर आप पहले पावर पॉइंट एक्सेस कर रहे हो और आपको फिर एम एस एक्सेल को ओपन करना हो तो आप टास्क बार पर इजीली क्लिक करके उसको फास्ट एक्सेस कर सकते हो. स्टूडेंट टास्क बार एक ही होती है. As you can see in this picture, there are two taskbar, but one difference is there in the above taskbar when no application is active, and the below taskbar when some application are active. So student, आपको confuse होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हर एक कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में one and only one taskbar is there. Next, my computer. Student, in any operating system like Windows, Windows 10, the things you have on your computer, your programs, your document, data, files, etc., all are accessible from one place called computer. Means आप जिस प्लेस से अपने प्रोग्राम्स, डॉक्यूमेंट, डेटा, फाइल्स को एक्सेस कर सकते हो वही प्लेस आपकी होती है माई कंप्यूटर और कंप्यूटर. Student, generally computer icon is located at the upper left of your window screen or desktop. My computer or computer program icon is helpful to viewing the content of a single folder or drive. Student, when you double click computer on your desktop, available drives appear in a new window. When you double click a drive icon, a window displays the folders contained on that drive. You can then double click a folder to see the files contained in the folder. Okay student, now to see what's on your computer, double click computer icon. A window appears displaying several different pictures called icon. Student, as you can see in this picture, four drives are available here. To use an item in a computer window, double click the icon. For example, to open a hard drive D, double click on the icon representing D. Similarly, to open the DVD drive, double click on the icon representing DVD drive. Students, when you double click a disk drive icon in a computer, a window showing the contents of that drive appears. First, a folder, second, a share folder, third, a file. Student, let's discuss it one by one. Files and folder. Student, a file is a common storage unit in a computer, and all programs, data are written or stored into a file and read from a file. अलग अलग टाइप के डेटा को आप स्टोर कर सकते हो और राइटिंग ऑपरेशन भी परफॉर्म कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट इज फोल्डर. A folder is a container that holds one or more files. A folder can also contain other folder is called subfolders. Student, folders provide a method for organizing files, and folder can be empty, means empty container, until you store some files and subfolders in it. Now in this picture, folder is stored inside current folder and various फाइल स्टोर अंडर दिस फोल्डर. एक फोल्डर के अंदर दूसरा फोल्डर्स अवेलेबल है और डिफरेंट टाइप्स की फाइल्स अवेलेबल है. फोल्डर्स आर आल्सो कॉल्ड डायरेक्टरीज. So students, a folder is a location in which you can store files and other folders, and subfolders means a folder stored inside another folder is called subfolder.